Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Frances. I'm going to be doing a plan with me for the last week of February, beginning of March. Before I get started, I would just like to say, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'm so close to 2,000 subscribers. It would be such a blessing to reach 2,000 by my birthday, which is next month. March. Well, it's in March. It's at the end of March. So yeah, that would be an awesome gift if you guys would hit that subscribe button for me. We can be friends. Also, don't mind my nail. I broke it off and then it was like nighttime and I was like, well, let me just paint it. And I grabbed this paint color thinking it was similar to this one, even though it was kind of like dim. And I woke up the next morning and I was like, yeah, this is definitely not the same paint color. So yeah, just wanted to apologize for that. So this week I'm going to, sorry about the lighting change, I'm going to be using this paper pad. I have been dying to use it. I got this sometime, I think like maybe November of last year. It's been a while and I've been wanting to use it and I haven't used it. So I want to use it today. I love space and stars and all that. I think I've mentioned that before. That's why I have this, the planner that's, like spacey, I guess. So yeah, I'm going to be using this. I'm going to try and make this a no sticker spread. We'll see how that goes because I wanted to use my stamps, but I can't find my stamp block or my ink. So I'm going to try and look for it and then, I don't know, we'll see. And I pulled out this washi. I got this from Target a while ago. It's supposed to be like holo, but I don't really consider these holo. I mean, I guess there's like different colors, but I don't like I don't consider like the way it's speckled to be holo. I don't know if I'm making sense, but it reminded me of space, you know, like maybe like some stars, and then it goes with that paper pad. So the pack came with a big one and a little one, and it says it's washi, but it actually kind of feels like duct tape, but it's not as sticky as duct tape. I don't know, it's weird. But yeah, I'm going to be using this. If I can get it off, I'll do that later. So yeah, I'm gonna speed through this only because my throat has been hurting. I feel better today, but I'm filming this on Tuesday. But yesterday I had to work and I got home and I was just not feeling well, so I didn't get to film this yesterday. So today is Tuesday and I'm feeling a little better, but I'm still gonna try not to mess up my throat or whatever. Anyways, let's just go ahead and get started and I will see you guys at the end. love doing these, but I mean, it's challenging, like trying to figure out where to put like this. I mean, luckily I had these sticky notes, but you know, I'm trying to use up my stuff, so I don't know. I do like these spreads because it allows me to be a little bit more creative. There's a whole bunch of other scrapbook sheets that I didn't use that I want to use, so I think I'm actually going to use that for the monthly spread. I noticed that it's like this divider is, you know, space like, so I just think it's a sign for me to use it again, to use the ones that I didn't get to use. But yeah, that is it. I will add stuff as the week goes on, and if I find my stamps, I might use stamps for the rest of the week. I don't know, we'll see. But oh, before I go, I wanted to show you, this is the pen that I used to write the to-do on here. It's oh wait, no, this isn't it. It looks like this, but it's this one. It's a metallic gel pen in silver. I got these at Sam's a long time ago. It came in like a really big pack, and this is by the Right Dudes. So this is actually a really good brand. I've had other pens from them and they work really, really, really well. So to write in like my to-dos, I'm going to use a white gel pen. I had one over here. I don't know what happened to it. That's right here. I have this one from Target, but it's like a fake jelly roll, but I don't like the way it writes. It doesn't show up like as pigmented or as bright on the paper as I'd like it to. So I am probably going to see if I have a white gel pen by the Right Dudes and use that instead. But yeah, that is it for this week's plan with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like I said, please subscribe so I can reach my goal by the end of March. And comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.